Hello, welcome to Cooking with Martab channel. Let's go and I'll explain to you how to make chicken with pomegranate paste together. Just look at the color and appearance of this delicious dish. It will tell you about its incredible taste. Stay with me to make this delicious dish. Before that, please subscribe to me. Thank you. To start, pour some oil into a suitable pan and fry both sides of your chicken pieces. I use 2 whole chicken thighs. Once both sides of the chicken are fried, as shown in the video, remove them from the pan and add 1 finely chopped large onion to the same pan and saute until golden. Once the onions are fried, add 4 grated or finely chopped garlic cloves and saute for about 1 to 2 minutes until the garlic aroma is released. Now it's time to add the spices. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper, turmeric, and paprika and saute the spices for a minute. Now simply arrange the fried chicken pieces in the pan and pour 2 French cups of boiling water over them. Since this dish has a thick and delicious sauce, do not add too much water. Close the lid of the pan, reduce the heat and let it cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 30 minutes, turn your chicken so that the other side is cooked and coated with the sauce. Now 1 hour of cooking the chicken has passed. Add a tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 5 tablespoons of mild pomegranate paste. Adding sugar helps adjust the flavor of your chicken. After adding the pomegranate paste, mix it with the thickened sauce. Close the pan lid again and let it sit for another half an hour to set. After 15 minutes, flip your chicken so that both sides are coated with the pomegranate paste and sauce. At this stage, you can also add a tablespoon of brewed saffron and let it cook for another quarter of an hour. After 1.5 hours, this is the result. A very delicious and juicy chicken with an attractive pomegranate paste sauce. I hope you make this delicious dish and enjoy eating it to the fullest. Thank you for staying with me until the end. If you are interested in Iranian cooking, be sure to check out the link in the bio. I would be happy if you subscribe to and like the Cooking with Martab channel and stay with me.